guys, Stephen Phillips here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at UWS's Secure Lock Under Tonneau Chest Box. And with UWS we have Brian. How you doing, Brian?
I'm very well. How are you, Stephen?
I am doing great. So Brian, tell us more about this box and how it really stands out against the other UWS offering.
Okay, today we're going to look at our latest offering. It is a Under Tonneau Chest Box, okay? Designed to work with roll-up tonneau covers and or some types of chest canisters.
Yes.
The way we've designed this, it does have an offset on the back. So when you roll your cover up against the bulkhead, you do have a roll that should fit right in the space right here. The nice thing about this, it allows you to open your lid 90 degrees.
Very good.
Okay.
That's always good.
Yeah, because prior to this, chest boxes bound up against the covers.
Yep.
So while we get the lid open, I'd like to point out we do have a rod protector plate here. A couple of functions of this rod protector plate. One is obvious, it protects your connecting rod between the two locking systems, okay? You have the ability to open this box from driver's side and or passenger side. Also, you can lock it from one side or the other, okay? The other function that's a great feature of this is it keeps your cargo from binding that rod up, okay?
Yes.
Being sawzalls, levels, or what have you put in here, they have a tendency to want to jump up and hit that thing, okay? Also, while we have the lid open, we do, as in all UWS lids, offer a rigid core foam filled lid. We're known for the strength of our lids.
Definitely are.
And also we do offer micro seal gasket. Keeps the elements out, okay?
Always important.
Clean and dry tools is nice.
Absolutely.
Absolutely, yes.
And I will say this lid is really what UWS is known for. This is a hugely rigid lid, and even I and two other people could stand on this and cause no damage.
Absolutely. And people use it as a stepping stool all day long. They'll use it to step into the truck. Once on the truck, to wash the cab of the truck.
It's a nice added feature.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Now, what about these struts, shocks, hydraulics?
They are gas.
Self-opening?
They are gas struts. And while we're talking about components, we do have a complete line of replacement parts for these boxes.
Awesome. Yes, sir. All right, and the warranty you offer?
It has a limited lifetime warranty.
Great. So, with that covered, this comes in this nice matte black finish. Looks amazing. What other finishes do you offer?
We offer it in a plain diamond plate finish also.
Okay. And the last question I'm sure that our viewers are wanting to know is, with the installation on an Under Tonneau box, there's so many options. Can you kind of fill us in on what those are?
There are, and it comes down to the customer, okay, the end user. You know, what are you going to use it for? How often are you going to use it? One of the easiest ways to drill through the box, through the bed, put a toggle bolt and just bolt it down. Self-tapping screws, real nice, real easy. Just be careful what you're tapping.
Right, makes sense.
Fuel tanks are not a good tapping device. And one that I think most people would find real convenient will be the strapping system.
Okay.
And this bed in particular has hooks up in the nose of the bed. Put a couple straps, strap it to the front or strap around and you could strap it in real easy. Make it real portable.
Fair enough. That's always good.
Yes.
So guys at home, about the installation and time that this would take to install, it's really going to depend so much on your application and your tastes that I can't really give an accurate rating. Just know this will depend on, again, your tastes and your application. All right, guys, that's a wrap on the Under Tonneau Chest Box here from UWS. Brian, thank you again for coming out today.
Thank you, Stephen.
It's been a pleasure.
Definitely.
Now, guys at home, if you want any more details about the product, check the description below the video. We'll have everything for you there, from a part number all the way to a dealer locator, so you can find this product at a dealer near you. If you have any questions or comments, also leave those in the comments below. If you liked the video, leave us a like. If you loved the video, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.